Well, here we are. It's early in the afternoon. We got the cross-member bolts out. The two finger-tight torque tube bolts that we were leaving in there to keep the thing stable, and hooked the engine hoist up to it. And it is, as you can see, there's some wiring that needs to be disconnected still in the back there. This will make it a lot easier. I just clipped all the zip ties from the firewall so it would be able to drop down. And right now it's sitting on a couple pieces of wood. As you can see, it's here. You can see the drive shaft is out of the bell housing. Better shot of that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's that's where it goes into the bell housing, where those three studs are, or those three pins. That's the end of the drive shaft. As you can see, it's pretty long. It has to go all the way through the bell housing and into the crankshaft. So that's all disconnected. The next thing we're gonna do, I don't know if I'll get to it today, is disconnect this stuff, pull the rest of the DME harness through, and get the thing on the ground so we can raise the front of the car up and pull the engine out the front. That's it for today, probably.